Today is gonna be awesome! What are you building? A giant castle.
Put it over there.
Wow! Is that a giant box? Is that really for me, Mom?
It's a big secret surprise for later.
It must be my special gift today. Maybe it is, or maybe not. Maybe it is a giant dinosaur toy.
We should leave for the event soon.
Let's go and get in the car.
What is happening in this beautiful place?
Welcome! Welcome to our special community day.
Look over there. My beautiful present. Finally, I get to open it. Thank you so much, my dear mother.
This is a special gift for you.
Oh! What is happening right now? She really gave away my gift. Why would Mom do that to me? That was definitely my birthday gift. What's wrong? Why are you sad? Mom gave my special present away. Wow. Thank you so much for this. He got everything, and I got nothing.
Are you having fun at the charity?
Sure, everything is absolutely fine here.
Do you really like your new gift? She is smiling so warmly at him.
Mom smiles at everyone all the time. Not like that. She was different.
Here is some juice for you.
She gave him a delicious juice, too.
Thank you, Jack, for all your help.
Nobody sees me or cares about me.
Every single child deserves kindness today.
What does that special message mean?
Thank you so much for everything. Yeah. You're welcome. I guess it is fine.
Are you ready to go back home?
That is such wonderful news for everyone.
What is so wonderful about it?
It is a very big surprise.
Another surprise for him, of course.
Home sweet home, we are back.
What is hidden under that blanket?
There is nothing to see here, Leo.
She is definitely hiding something from me.
Why does Mom care more about him?
What is Mom hiding in the corner? Are you still sad about today? Mom gave my favorite gift away. Maybe it wasn't yours in the first place.
Everything is ready for the big moment.
What are they getting ready for?
Can you stay in your room for a little while?
She really doesn't want me here. Maybe Mom doesn't like me anymore. Maybe that other boy is better than me.
It's perfect and looks so amazing.
Leo? Are you up there, sweetie? Can you please come downstairs now? We need you to come downstairs, sweetie. Why do I need to go down? I want to show you something special.
Okay, I'm coming down.
Are you ready for this, buddy?
What is hidden under that blanket?
3, 2, 1, here we go.
This is all for you, Leo.
Surprise!
This is all for you, Leo.
Wow! This is so incredibly beautiful! Is this amazing playset really mine?
Every single bit of it is yours.
But what about the gift at the center?
That gift was never yours to begin with. That boy lost many of his toys. We wanted to help him.
Oh, now I understand everything, Mom.
Helping others doesn't mean we love you less.
I'm sorry, Mom. It is completely okay, my sweet boy.
This is the best surprise ever and a great lesson. Ask before you assume.